how to hide games from friends on Steam. I'm gonna show you two ways. So for the first one, what we want to do is click on our profile name here and then go to view my profile. Now from your profile page, we will go to games, and here you should be able to see this little cogwheel icon. Just click on it and it's going to look like this, and here you will see the privacy settings of your profile. So here you will see that we have game details and it's currently set to friends only. So this category includes the list of all games on your Steam account, including ones you've wish listed, your achievements, playtime, so on and so forth. So what we can do here for game details, we can either make it public or we can make it private, so nobody sees this. So who's going to see it? Nobody. But I'm going to leave it as friends only here for now. You can also keep my total playtime private if users can see game details, but if you want to hide your games, you will just set this to private. Now another way of how we can do this is we're going to go to library here, and what we want to do is right click on the game that we want to hide, go to manage here, and once we hover over manage, you will see hide this game or mark as private. So if you want to hide it from your list here, all you have to do is click on hide this game. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you guys next time.